Senior Source is so proud to be able to partner with TXU to give away air conditioning units for seniors who really cannot stand living in the heat this summer.
There we go.
I don't have air conditioning either. Air conditioning because it's hot. I be sweating all night long.
We all know this summer it's already extremely hot. Electric prices are going to be higher this summer, so we want to make sure folks are comfortable. There is no better organization to reach the senior community than the Senior Source.
Where do you want it? Back seat? Okay.
Bad, real bad. Especially on this week, it's been real hot.
All the way back? Okay, keep going to the stop sign, please.
That window unit AC, will make such a difference in lives. We want people to stay cool, stay inside their households, and be safe.
Thank you.
There are so many seniors in Dallas that are living on a fixed income. To be able to give someone an AC unit can take that pressure off of other necessary items that they need for their family.
I see you've visited with our community partners, so that's great. You can just keep going down the line.
Today we have Texas Health Resources, Dallas Public Library, Bravo Dental, and WellCare, all here to provide other services for seniors so that they feel like not only are they receiving kind of a cool room, but they're getting other services they may or may not know about.
I'm going to be coming around and doing dental screening for you.
A lot of seniors don't realize that they are actually eligible for benefits that they're not currently receiving.
It's such a blessing to be able to, get this opportunity to come out and get something that would benefit us and help us with our health.
We want to make sure that we are improving the emotional and financial well-being of older adults in our community.
We'll actually be able to sleep through the night without waking up sopping wet.
Vaccine?
We love being involved in our local communities where we all live, we work, and we play. And being able to be here and give back, there's no better thing that we can do for our communities.